So me and Emma are gonna go through our favorite summer services. So mine would have to be a lash lift and tint because it lasts 6 to 8 weeks. You can swim with it after 24 hours. You have to keep it dry for 24 hours. But then after that, your lashes are low maintenance, if not no maintenance. You can still use your serums and your eyes are popping and beautiful. And when your eyelashes get wet in the pool and they like stick together is my favorite. So I would say a lash lift and tint, favorite summer service.
I would probably say a leg wax because I absolutely hate waxing my legs. And if I can get that done in 30 minutes and then not have to shave for the next 3 to 4 weeks,
Prickly free.
I'm golden.
Yes.
I'm golden, so leg wax for me, for sure.
Definitely. Let us know your favorite service below. Perfect.
We love to hear from you.
Yes.